The bustling city of Chicago in the early 20th century became a fertile ground for groundbreaking sociological thought. It was here that the Chicago School, a group of influential intellectuals based at the University of Chicago, emerged. They sought to understand the rapid social changes sweeping through America, with a particular focus on the role of communication in shaping urban life. These pioneers of media theory laid the groundwork for how we understand the complex relationship between media and society today. Among the key figures of the Chicago School were Robert E. Park and Ernest Burgess, whose work continues to resonate in media studies. They were fascinated by the dynamics of the modern city, a melting pot of diverse cultures and social interactions. Their research explored how mass media, particularly newspapers and radio, contributed to the formation of public opinion, the construction of social norms, and the integration of new immigrants into American society. The Chicago School's approach to studying media and communication was deeply rooted in the social and intellectual climate of their time. The Industrial Revolution, coupled with increasing urbanization and immigration, had brought about unprecedented transformations in the social fabric of America. The rise of mass media coincided with these changes, prompting the Chicago School to investigate how these powerful new communication technologies were shaping individual lives and collective identities. Central to the Chicago School's thinking was the organismic model of society. This model, heavily inspired by the biological sciences, viewed society as a living organism composed of interconnected parts. Just as the human body relies on the coordinated functioning of its organs, society, according to this view, depended on the harmonious interaction of various institutions, groups, and individuals. This perspective shaped the Chicago School's understanding of media. They saw media as a vital organ within the larger social body, playing a crucial role in maintaining social order and facilitating communication between different parts of the organism. Media, in their view, acted as a nervous system, transmitting information, values, and norms throughout the social body, contributing to its overall stability and cohesion. The organismic analogy, while insightful, was not without its limitations. Critics argued that it oversimplified the complexities of human society and overlooked the inherent power dynamics within social structures. Nevertheless, the Chicago School's emphasis on interconnection and interdependence laid the groundwork for understanding media as a powerful force in shaping social reality. The Chicago School's ideas were deeply influenced by prominent thinkers like Herbert Spencer and Emil Durkheim. Spencer, known for his concept of social Darwinism, viewed society as an evolving organism subject to the principles of natural selection. He argued that just as in nature, competition and adaptation were essential for social progress. Durkheim, a founding figure of sociology, emphasized the importance of social solidarity and shared values in holding society together. His work explored how social norms and institutions, including media, contributed to creating a sense of collective identity and purpose. He argued that media played a vital role in promoting social cohesion by disseminating shared beliefs and values. The Chicago School integrated these ideas, viewing media as a force that could both reinforce existing social structures and contribute to social change. They recognized media's potential to strengthen social bonds by promoting shared values and facilitating communication, but also acknowledged its capacity to challenge established norms and foster dissent. This nuanced perspective laid the foundation for future studies on media's role in both maintaining and transforming social order. The Chicago School's approach to studying media was also influenced by positivism, a philosophical stance that emphasized empirical observation and scientific methods in understanding the social world. Positivists believed that just like the natural sciences, social phenomena could be objectively observed, measured, and analyzed to uncover universal laws governing human behavior. This emphasis on objectivity and scientific rigor led to the development of early media effects models. These models sought to establish a cause and effect relationship between media consumption and individual or social outcomes. Researchers conducted experiments and surveys to measure how exposure to specific media content influenced attitudes, beliefs, and behaviors. While positivism provided a systematic framework for studying media, it was not without its critics. Some argued that the emphasis on objectivity overlooked the subjective nature of human experience and the role of individual interpretation in mediating media effects. Thinkers like Auguste Comte, considered the father of sociology, and Georg Wilhelm Friedrich Hegel, a prominent German philosopher, offered alternative perspectives that challenged the purely rationalist vision of media as a tool for social order. Comte, while advocating for a scientific approach to studying society, also recognized the importance of subjective experiences and the role of emotions in shaping human behavior. He argued that a purely rational approach to understanding media's influence on society was incomplete, without considering the emotional dimensions of media consumption. Hegel, known for his complex philosophical system, emphasized the dialectical nature of history and the role of ideas in shaping social reality. He argued that media, as a powerful platform for disseminating ideas, played a crucial role in the ongoing struggle for meaning and the evolution of human consciousness. He viewed media as a site of ideological contestation, where dominant narratives are challenged and new understandings of the world emerge. These alternative viewpoints highlighted the limitations of viewing media solely through the lens of objectivity and social control. They emphasized the importance of considering individual agency, subjective interpretation, and the ongoing struggle for meaning in understanding media's complex relationship with society.